Hi everyone, let's read Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Daniel takes care of Snowball. Hi neighbor, can you guess who's coming home from school with me today? Teacher Harriet says it's my turn to take home Snowball, our class bunny. I'll take good care of him. During playtime, we all pretend to take care of pets. I pretend to feed a pet bunny. Now it's time to go home. My mom is here to pick us up. I can't wait to take care of a real bunny. Teacher Harriet shows me all the things a bunny needs. Fresh water, a clean cage, a brush, and food. Prince Wednesday comes over to my house. He wants to help take care of Snowball too. After we give Snowball a drink of water, we need to clean out his cage. He can hop around while we work. Next, we need to brush Snowball's fur. This will make his fur so soft and fluffy. Do you remember the last thing on Teacher Harriet's list? Food. Let's give Snowball some yummy carrots. Watching Snowball eat made us hungry too. Let's invite Snowball to a picnic on the floor. Taking care of a pet is a lot of work, but it makes me feel good to take care of Snowball. Thank you for reading with us. See you next time.